G'day guys, Luke here. In today's short video, we're taking a look at a set of Bluetooth bookshelf speakers. So this is the Edifier R1280DB. This is a set of speakers that I specifically got to go with my record vinyl player. I recently just picked up a new record player from Audio Technica, and I was looking for a set of speakers that weren't too big but come with a lot of inputs. So as you can see, this Edifier set comes with a lot of connections. So it comes with the optical cable, comes with the RCA cables, it comes with a speaker wire, it comes with RCA to optical, which is really neat. And the speakers themselves are really impressive because they not only include all of those typical kind of connections, RCA, optical and stuff like that, but also they include Bluetooth, which is a really big win for me because it means I can also use these for my home theater setup as well. So you can see each of the speakers, they're not huge. They are a bookshelf speaker, which means they're kind of designed to be hidden out of the way a little bit. I didn't really want a massive set of speakers that were going to take up half the living room, and that's why I selected these ones, because they are small but they are mighty. They have very, very good audio, and they look really nice. So you can get them in the wood grain finish like I've got here, where you've essentially got, they're kind of like vinyl wrapped, but they look very close to real wood. On the back, we have the input for the speaker wire. We have the on-off switch. We have two dual RCA inputs, and then we also have optical as well. On the on the right-hand side of the speaker, we have the volume, treble, and bass, which is very, very handy. And then on the other speaker, that just basically has the speaker input itself, so nothing really. Now, looking at the speaker, you can see they are very well constructed. When you take the cover off the front of each individual speaker, you can see they do definitely look the part. There's plenty of grunt in these speakers. I've actually cranked them right up and they sound terrific in a living space. You also do get a little remote, which is great. So for me personally, I just use that to change the volume, and you can change inputs if you want to swap between, say, like RCA, which is line 1, or you want to change to optical. That's up to you. So it is a very handy remote to have. So basically what I'm doing here, guys, I'm taking the RCA connection in line 1, plugging that directly into my brand new Audio Technica vinyl player. The cables are very long and they're plentiful, so they're not sort of a shorter speaker wire. There's plenty of room there to run that across to like any device that you're setting up. The cool thing is, guys, you could set this up with a CD player, a vinyl player. You could plug your PS4 or PS5 into the optical. You could use Bluetooth for watching movies. And that's really what I love about these speakers, particularly because there's just so many inputs that you can basically set up everything in your living area with one set of speakers. And they actually sound very, very good. They are room filling, even though they are a slightly smaller speaker. But personally, I love them. Like you can see with the wood finish here, I think they really, really look the part. So without further ado, let me actually show you how they sound with some audio from my Audio Technica. I hope you enjoy.